Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can buy stuff on Temu without a credit card or debit card. In order to do so, here we are at temu.com. And if you have something in your cart, then you'll be able to see here the payment methods on the next screen. And we have, aside from a credit card, PayPal, Afterpay, Google Pay, Klarna, and Affirm. So those are the options that you have aside from paying with a credit card or debit card of some sort. So I would say for most people, the primary option would be PayPal or Google Pay. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.